Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a baby wish list on the Amazon shopping app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so go ahead and open up your Amazon shopping app as you normally would and make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, click on the U button on the bottom of the page. And then from here, on the top, we've got orders, buy again, account and lists. So go ahead and click onto lists. And then it'll say lists and registries. Below that's going to be all your current wish lists, but what we need to do is click on the plus icon top right hand corner of the page, and from here it will say create a new list, and at the bottom of that it says welcoming a baby, create a baby wish list. So go ahead and click onto that. Then from here you'll be taken to this page here, and it'll say baby wish list, your one-stop wish list for all your baby and pregnancy needs. So click on create your wish list. Then from here you'll be taken to this page here. It says welcome to your one-stop baby wish list. So put in your name, first name, last name, and your expected arrival date. So go ahead and click on that. So for example, if you're having a baby soon, just go ahead and click on that date. So it's the 15th of Thursday, the 15th of May. Click that, and then we go. So expected arrival date, the date's there. Then from here, we'll scroll down. I'll have your shipping address above, but I'm not going to show it. Share my address with sellers. Allow gifts to be shipped to my address. So you check that if you like. Allow gift givers to send me additional gifts not on this list. So you can check that or uncheck that. Also, privacy and email options. So we can do a wish list privacy. So you can have it public. So your wish list can be accessed via direct link and will be searchable on Amazon. Or if you like, you can have it shareable. So only people with your link can see your wish list. I suggest having that one because it's a bit more private, or you can do simply private only, and your co-registrant can access this wish list. And also we've got an email option, so receive alerts when gifts are purchased. So a cool little add-on there. From here, go ahead and click on create registry, and then we'll be inside our baby wish list where we can go ahead and view your wish list, view your checklist, etc. You can also share this wish list to your friends and family. We've got purchase 0 from 0. We can add our items here, visibility via link and arrival. And then from here, if we scroll down, you can see popular categories with this, and also frequently added to baby wish list, which is quite cool. So if there's something you want to add, so say if I want to do this pseudo cream, I want to click on add to baby wish list. And then if we go up here, back to the top, we'll say quick actions, view your wish list. You can see your items that you put in your wish list. Also, you can do a search for baby related stuff, and then say for example nappies, I want to add some certain nappies to my wish list. I'm going to search it. Now I'm going to scroll down, and just for demonstration I'm going to choose these Huggies here. And now once I'm here, I'm going to scroll down and it will say add to baby wish list. Simple as that.